In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a calendar into your website using a user-friendly website builder. Adding a calendar can help your visitors stay updated with your upcoming events, appointments, or any significant dates you want to highlight. So let's dive into the process. First, let's open your preferred website builder. If you already have access, go ahead and log in. If you're new to using a website builder, they're typically online tools that allow you to design and publish your own website without needing any coding knowledge. They're easy to navigate and perfect for creating professional-looking sites with minimal effort. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. This is typically where you can view your existing pages, site settings, and more. With your dashboard open, you'll want to integrate a calendar. You have a couple of options here. Many site builders have built-in widgets or apps to add a calendar. Look for something in the app or widget section labeled Calendar and click on it to begin adding it to your page. It's typically a straightforward drag and drop feature. Simply drag the widget over to the spot on your page where you'd like it to appear. This might be your home page and events page or anywhere else you see fit. Once placed, the calendar should automatically adjust to blend with your site's layout. Alternatively, if you prefer using Google Calendar, embedding it into your website is quite simple. Begin by heading over to your Google Calendar account. On the left-hand side, find the calendar you'd like to share, hover over it, and click on the three dots for more options. Select Settings and Sharing, then scroll down until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Here, you'll see a box titled Embed Code. Copy the entire code provided. Going back to your website builder, you'll need to locate the spot where you can insert custom code, often found in an HTML or embed module. Paste your copied embed code directly into this section. Your Google Calendar will now appear on your web page just like any other content, ready for your visitors to see. Now that your calendar is added, it's time for customization. Click on your new calendar widget or iframe to open up the settings. Here, you can usually adjust sizing, colors, and even the default view settings to match your website's theme and layout perfectly. Make sure to explore any advanced settings that might be available. Some calendar widgets offer features such as event notifications or sync options with other tools. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. Saving will often apply your settings site-wide, ensuring that any adjustments you make are reflected when visitors access your page. Double check that everything displays correctly on both desktop and mobile views, as sometimes elements might shift or appear differently on various screen sizes. And there you have it, a fully integrated calendar ready to enhance your website's functionality. Thanks for watching and happy website building.